Hi everyone, I am doing a review on the Viesimple coffee grinder. Right next to it, I have it next to my OXO grinder. You can see the huge size difference. This thing is tiny in comparison. This is everything that it comes with, so a brush, a spoon, this extra silicone lid for the collection jar, and of course the grinder itself. So that collection jar is magnetic, so it's not going anywhere. The button to turn it on is right back here, and you put the coffee in this little silicone piece. I already have the beans in there, so I can't show you how it comes off, but it does. Oh, yes, and then it comes with a little fine mist sprayer. I'm not exactly sure why, but it's kind of cool. Anyhow, I will go ahead and get it set up to where I want it. And turn it on. So it's pretty quiet in comparison to my OXO. One issue that I did have is you can't really pour the beans very easily into this tiny little opening. It made a mess all over the place, so you do have to kind of scoop them in or be very careful. Other than that, let's see how the grounds did. I'm not sure you can actually see that. So it looks medium fine. You can read my actual review and see the pictures from it, comparing the coffee grind quality. See ya.
This is the new espresso grinder. It's got an anti-static magnetic container, and it takes espresso beans, and then you finish doing the grind based on whatever setting you want, from 0 to 70. 0 to 5 is for espresso, and then the higher settings are for other types of coffee. When it's done grinding and there are no more beans, you can actually press down and blow out the dust through this chute into the anti-static container so that there's no coffee flying around. And it separates the espresso beans from our usual beans. So that's why I got it.